Your voice is one of the most powerful tools you have. It's not just for singing or speaking, but a reflection of who you are, your emotion, and your creativity. Whether you are an aspiring singer, a public speaker, or just someone looking to speak or sing with more confidence, transform your voice course is the key to unlock your full vocal potential. In this course, you'll discover how to overcome vocal limitations, learn new techniques, music theory, and enhance your tone, range, and control. We will build from basic to more advanced skills, taking a journey that will not only improve your sound but also boost your confidence and presence. What you will need in this course: number one, join a choir, a band, school, or any institution where music is practiced, as this will provide you with the opportunity to apply the skill and knowledge you have learned in this course. Number two, a computer, a smartphone, or other device where you can watch the lesson video. And number three, a willingness to learn, grow, and commit to improvement.